Youth cells are a network of cells. Each cell has between 10 and 12 young people in it. They each have 2 adult leaders. I suppose what makes them different from a youth group is that they're actually networked. So we have, as well as the cells, we have what we call a cluster, where the cells come together. At the moment they come together once a term for a youth service.
We meet on a Tuesday night from 7:30 to 8:45. When we get there, we normally have a meal.
Kind of talk about topical issues and stuff like that.
Usually we're discussing bits of the Bible, what's relevant to the issues we've been discussing. Might listen to some music.
Pray a lot.
Yeah.
Then we get into sort of groups and we discuss about our faith and how we think that different people's views of God.
We've talked about stuff like abortion and euthanasia, but then we seem to kind of graduate on with like our journeys and stuff like in our faith.
We do invite other people to come along. It's an open service, but it is primarily a service for the youth cells to celebrate together. We do find that we get people from the Baptist, Methodist and the URC coming to the service as well. And we offer it as a resource. It's purely that. We're not getting them to come to our church, it's not a case of sheep stealing, but we're offering it as a resource to churches who perhaps can't put on an event like this in the same sort of way.
We have an answer. Turning water into wine. Miracle. That's the correct answer. That's 1 point to Natasha's team, and I'm sorry, but no points to AJ's team. Question number 2.
Longing just to bring something that's of worth that will bless your heart. You search much deeper within through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart.
I would say start with what you've got. This youth cell network started with 5 or 6 young people about 3 years ago, and it's grown organically from there. It might be that if a church hasn't got many young people, it might be that they can put their young people together with young people from another church and form a cell that way around. I think this is a model of church that can actually cut across parish boundaries without any problems, and also can cut across denominations as well. I think young people, we need to find ways of providing church for young people. I don't think this is a time to get pressures about boundaries or denominations.
Go for it and
Be open about what you believe
yeah.
and have a good time.